Hello my friends, it's Emma Jo here from Lavinia Stamps, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this card. Now it's magic family time and it features two new stamps, Hocus and Pocus, these diddly little cats, and also the Witching Hour text stamp. But it brings out the old favourites that we have with Mimsy, and what's the other one? The other one is Wands and Spells, the books, but using them for their spines. It's great fun. Let's have a go. Right, so I'm using multifarious card and I'm going to use it landscape. And start off with some Elements Ink Sundance. And I'm using a size 9 stencil brush. Add a little bit of confetti, very lightly. And touches of blue atoll. And I'm going to add a little bit of mulberry just to the edge. Add a little bit of lime punch. Okay, grab your spray bottle and let's spray some of that and let the water work its magic. So now let's take our books and stamp in Versafine Clair Nocturne. Now the good thing about this is you don't want all of the book on the card, so we're going to be stamping it in various heights. Okay, so let's just get stamping. There we go, so that's our books. So I've got Mimsy, and she's playing the role of the mother cat. Again, inked up in Versafine Clair Nocturne, and just get it so that her feet are as close as you can get to some books. So they're using them like stepping stones. So this is Hocus and Pocus, and the first one is the one that's facing to the right. So this is just behind the mother cat. Let's grab that Witching Hour stamp and then we'll have done all our stamping in one hit. Now let's colour. So I'm going to grab a size 3 stencil brush and some dark denim, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my brush and get it to the point where it's almost barely there, and just start creating this magical mist around the cat's feet. And I add a little bit of pink, what's left on my brush. Let's get the Mondeluz watercolour pencils, and we're going to colour in the spines of these books. And just colour your books as you see fit. Try not to get the same colours next to each other though. Keep those colours out because you will go back to those for the orbs. Okay, now I'm going to use a colour from the Gem Gansai Tanbi watercolour range, and it's the Gem colours, and the one I'm using is Gem Violet. And I'm just going to spray some water into my watercolour and apply it along the books with this tiny, tiny brush, which will give us detail like you wouldn't believe. Isn't that lovely? That purple is beautiful. So I'm going to let that dry for a bit. And now I'm going to work on the cats. And I'm just going to mark a little bit of a highlight along the ear and down the brow of Mimsy, the mother. Down the back of the small cat, and just the front ear, and again the brow of the smaller cat. Now I'm going to take my aqua green and I'm just going to do a dot on the nose and a dot on the smaller cat's nose. Let's do some orbs. Now, do you remember when we sprayed that water? A lot of the work was for the orbs was done then, because your orbs will be dictated by where the water fell. So just very lightly go around them with the colours that you've used for the spines of the book. We're nearly there. I'm going to take that watercolour brush that we used earlier, just add some little dots along where the feet have been. The feet of these magical little pussycats. Take your Posca pen, going back to those orbs, and you can see what a difference it makes. And we'll add a couple of orbs going across the mother cat. I'm going to add some white. There we go. Right, just a little touch of fab foil. I need my quickie glue pen. And let's add some tiny dots and some wonderful orbs. And give that a quick blast with your heat tool. And add your colour. Now try not to do it all the same colour, because it just looks a little more magical if it's different colours. So it's ice blue, pink, and start with a little bit of purple. Near the purple I'm going to do some pink. Okay, and then take your ice blue and just lay it over the top of the area that you've just done, because anything that's left will be picked up then. And you can see that there's this lovely sheen going on there. Now use your Posca pen, your sparkly yellow one, and let's go around some of these orbs. Give them a bit of a lift. And let's just put a little bit of dark denim around the outsides, and we'll watch the focus all come together in the centre of the picture. So Elements Ink dark denim. And that, my friends, is the completed piece. Magical family time with Hocus, Pocus and Mimsy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for coming along and having a go with me. If you have anything you'd like to say, any comments you'd like to leave, please do in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But in the meantime, my friends, you have fun, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.